We're back. And now we have some delicious perlite in the bottom of our tote. There's maybe a little bit more in here than I need, but I'm also aware that once this gets wet, it will settle. The next step is to take this bad boy into the shower and to hose it down completely. You want it until the water is running clear. To keep some of this debris from going into your shower, what I do is I take a paper towel and I fold it into quarters, I wet it down, and I put it over the drain. So that way the water that filters through doesn't carry this debris into your pipes. And you can just throw it away when you're done and just clean out your tub. But you want this to run completely clear. If you're going to build this particular unit, this is nice. It folds out completely. I'm very pleased with the construction and the design on this. The putting together, even the conceptualizing of this, took almost no time at all, and my investment was around $10, not including the perlite. So I'm pretty happy with it. I wanted to show you a couple of other units that I've crafted. This is an old one. This is a larger old tub. I did a lot of fruiting in this a couple of years ago. Very fantastic. They're still good. They're a little, they get fogged in time, but they still allow in a great amount of light. And if you need a larger fruiting chamber than the one I just constructed, one this size is fantastic. I did lose the lid to this, so how I've been lidding this is with two smaller clear lids that I flap one over the other, and when I have to fan it, I simply just fan both the lids. That's where I got that. This one has a slightly different footprint, slightly different profile. I never did get the holes drilled in this one, but you can see where the dots were, where my patterning was, where I intended to poke all the holes. So I still have quite a few of these larger containers hanging around that I use for different projects. There are so many different sizes of tubs that you could make, and all work about the same. You just have to think, where am I putting this? Is it going to fit? And will allow for the proper airflow without allowing for contaminants to get into your grow. So think about how you're going to be constructing it. Think about what you're going to be putting in and how much you're going to need. As you see, the bigger the container, the more perlite that you're going to need for the bottom for drainage. And the more time it's going to take you to drill all those holes. So take your time, enjoy yourself. Don't be in a rush to get the holes done. When you rush, you're going to make mistakes. Mycelium is a slow process. It's a long project. It takes time. So kick back, relax, light something up, and enjoy making your holes. I will see you when we're ready to burst some jars.